ANRA Technologies will be providing Raytheon Intelligence Space, RI&S, with access to its SmartSkies trademark suite of technology solutions as part of a new contract between the two companies. The SmartSkies suite will be used to assist with simulation and live drone flight operations at Mid-Atlantic Aviation Partnership UAS test site at Virginia Tech, part of a larger effort to integrate unmanned aircraft systems and beyond visual line of sight (BVLOS) operations into the National Airspace Systems. The contract will see RI and South put in place a ground-based surveillance supplemental data service provider (SDSP) test program involving local radar services utilizing RI&S's proprietary Skyler active electronically scanned array (AESA) UAS weather product services and UAS service suppliers. Meanwhile, ANRA will join RI&S and other participants in the program, such as Virginia Tech, SkyGrid, and Tomorrow.io, in testing technologies that will assist in the advancement of scalable, safe, and compliant BVLOS drone operations at low altitudes. The project will rely on ANRA SmartSkies Fusion, which combines artificial intelligence and machine learning to predict the future trajectory of an aircraft's position. SmartSkies Fusion will be employed to gather data feeds from the Skyler AESA and data transmitted from cooperative aircraft flying within the USS network in order to establish a precise and recognized airspace environment. SmartSkies CTR will then be used to integrate networked and non-networked surveillance data with UTM for a comprehensive view of the airspace, and SmartSkies Aware will integrate the Tomorrow.io weather platform to provide features such as flight planning and route optimization. ANRA is excited to work with our partners to implement our SmartSkies platform for this project, said ANRA Technologies CEO Amit Gondo. Our technology will enable testing and evaluation of systems that will pave the way for commercial BVLOS drone operations at scale, said Gondo. Read more commercial drone news at DroneLife.com.